Shout out to all my fellow foodies who love to be happy and satisfy their cravings for good food. It's time to learn some new cooking tips to save our time, make a food finger licking good, and help a family bond more and more. Tell everyone it's time to watch our favorite cooking show, Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Welcome to Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Tell everyone it's time to watch our favorite cooking show, Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. Welcome to Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
Hello, beautiful foodies. You're welcome to another episode of the Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show. I'm Chef Debbie, and as usual, I'll be showing you a delightful way of making a recipe. Today, what are we making? We are making fried rice. Yes, you heard right. We are making fried rice. Rice is a ubiquitous grain. It grows in virtually all habitats and terrain on earth and is eaten by virtually all of humankind. In Africa, especially sub-Saharan Africa here, we have a variety of ways of making our rice dishes. We can make it in form of a jollof rice, coconut rice, curry rice, white plain rice, even the local or further rice. But the fried rice has its special place in the fact that it has a unique color and it tastes amazing. Now, there are so many ways of preparing this fried rice, but I'm going to be showing you my super recipe and an amazing way of making your fried rice come out with that bright green colors without the use of artificial coloring or additives. So let me show you how to make it. So, as usual, the star of the dish is the rice, which is already washed and ready to be cooked. I have here a blended mixture of green bell pepper, habanero pepper, and some spring onions. You notice that all those three ingredients are green in color, and there is a reason why they were chosen. This is what will give our rice that green coloring, natural coloring. Here I have some prawns which have been washed and seasoned with seasoning cube and salt. So I'll show you how to do that. Now I have spring onions here diced up and nice and tidy. I have butter here, a tablespoon of butter and margarine. I have some oxtail kidney already diced up and cooked and fried. This is ginger and garlic paste. Some diced onions, diced carrots, runner beans, and I have a tin of store-bought mixed veggies. You can buy your veggies from the market or from the farm and go on ahead to prepare it by yourself in the house. But to save up your some time, you can buy this the canned one, and it tastes amazing too. Then I have some seasoning cubes here, some salt, and vegetable oil.
Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
We start by turning on the heat on our pot. We have to get this pot hot and tidy. So now our pot is hot. We go in with some vegetable oil. And some diced onions. A bit of the butter and the margarine. We'll use the other parts when we are sauteing our veggies. So the onion is tender now and translucent. So we go in with our rice. Oh, before we do that, let me add a little bit of the ginger and the garlic paste. This will give it wonderful aroma. Great. Wow. Smells amazing. So the next thing to go in is our washed rice. So we turn it, and I'm using a non-stick pot, so it will not burn, but you still need to keep turning it so that the rice can have equal chance of cooking uniformly. So we leave it to cook a bit. So now our rice is fried nicely and translucent, so I can go in with my seasonings now. So I'm going to season with some chicken seasonings and some salt. I'll stir it together. Okay, so this is fine now. I'll go in with my green bell pepper mixture. Look out how green that is. You don't need any food coloring. This green is going to do wonder. I'm going to add some water now, or you can add water or chicken broth or stock if you have. So we cover this and wait for the rice to cook. That's between 15 to 20 minutes. So while that is going on, I want to saute some vegetables. I'll wait for the pan to be hot nicely. And proceed with the remaining butter and margarine and some vegetable oil too.
Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
Pan is hot and nice, hot now, so I go in with just a little bit of vegetable oil to support that. That's good. So from now I can go on with my seasoned prawns. They're already seasoned, so I'll cook them for 2 to 3 minutes. And they need to be cooked on both sides for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll take them out of the pan and continue with the other veggies. I need to bring my pan to the front for better heat coordination. Yeah, that's good. Don't forget our rice is on the stove and it's cooking right now. So while my prawn is sizzling nicely, I need to check on my rice. Yes, it's boiling and it's already giving up nice flavor, nice aroma. So I let it boil up more before I turn down the heat on it, because I need to steam the rice. I need to steam, so I'm going to turn down the heat after the rice has come up in a nice boil. Now you can hear the sizzling of my prawns, and if you're here with me, you already smell the nice flavor and the aroma. It's giving all it should be giving right now. So at this point, I'm going to go in and add the rest of the onion. Just like that. Add the rest of the ginger garlic paste. Wow, this smells heavenly. I wish you are here with me. This is amazing. Seafood is great. It might be a bit pricey, but they're worth all the hype, sincerely. Wow. I'm going to take them out very soon, because I'll still put them back in the rice later on.
Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
Yes, I'm taking out my cooked prawns now. I don't like them overcooked. When they're overcooked, they become rubbery, and that's not nice. We don't want that at all. I'm going to cook up the rest of the veggies now. I'm going in with the cooked kidney. And the carrots. I'll just saute them in now for like 2 or 3 minutes. The canned veggies have already been pre-cooked. I'm not going to cook them now, so I'll season my veggies with some seasoning cubes. And a little salt. This is amazing. I'm not going to cook my veggies for a very long time at all, because I don't like soggy vegetables. So by the time I turn off the heat on this, I'll add my prawns and the rest of the cooked of the canned vegetables, and I'll garnish with some spring onions. So this has been cooking for 2 minutes now, and I'm quite happy with where it is now. Wow, smells heavenly. So we go in with the cooked veggies now for a quick toss. I'll put in some spring onions. This is good, and I'll just taste for the seasoning. This is fine. So I'll turn off the heat now and wait for my rice to cook. I need to check on my rice, and if it's proceeding as expected, oh yes, this looks amazing. So just to make the rice to steam up faster, I'm going to put a foil paper on it. So this makes it retain the steam and it cooks faster. Yes, so in about 10-12 minutes now, our rice should be ready. So while my rice is cooking, my veggies are done. I'll just clear the table and I'll see you later. So our rice is done and the aroma is amazing. Wow. Yes, this looks good. Let's see if it tastes good. So I'm going to go in now with my prawns and our sauteed veggies. Believe me, if you try this recipe, you will not cook your fried rice any other way. Yes, you see how it comes together beautifully. Yes, and we still maintain our green color. Look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful. And it's ready to serve. So, not forgetting our onion or spring onion, we just garnish. And that's it. So, I'll see you at the plating table.
Debbie's Kitchen Delight Show.
So you're welcome back, guys, and now our rice is beautifully cooked and we are ready to eat. So today I have a very special guest with me, and he was here on one of the earlier episodes of the show, and we are so happy to have him back with us. Pamileri, you're welcome.
Yeah, it's so good to be here. I'm happy to be coming back on the show again. It's so nice.
Oh, we are happy to have you too. So I hope you will enjoy our recipe today.
Yeah,
tasty fried rice. We are serving it with chicken and fried egg. So I hope you love it.
Yeah, with the experience I had the last time, I know definitely this is going to be really nice.
Wow, such a good review. So please, let's start.
Okay.
Do you eat rice a lot?
Yeah, I know.
How does it taste?
Amazing. It's really nice.
Do you like shrimps?
I think it's better on eating, but it's nice. It's nice.
Combination of rice and shrimp is really beautiful. They complement each other beautifully.
Wow.
I'm proud of myself. So guys, I hope you have learned one or two things on this episode of the show. Please, as usual, try out my recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. This will enable me to continue to put out more amazing content every week. So till next time when we meet again, it is bye bye from us here. Very moist.
I like it. The shrimps is going really nice.
Yeah, it's in all the right notes, right?
It's working fun.
Shout out to all my